Welcome to the HGTV Urban Oasis 2024 in Kansas City, Missouri. I am so excited to show you this Scandinavian modern home filled with so many fun elements. So let's get right into it. So as soon as you walk in, you are greeted by this incredible living room. And there's so many architectural details to feast your eyes on. These natural wood beams that match the floor, a wall of built-ins that feature a floor-to-ceiling fireplace. This room was made for entertaining. I mean, look at all of these seating options. You have an incredible chenille sofa, some boucle chairs, and then my fave, these velvet beauties. Definitely think this is my favorite seat in the house. There's also some amazing artwork featured here. I love this piece on this frameless TV. And speaking of artwork, a little nod to Kansas City herself, the city of fountains. We had this piece custom made because did you know that Kansas City is second only to Rome when it comes to fountains? Fun fact. Now, right off the living room is this beautiful private office. Well appointed and colorful. I mean, this art is perfect for any Zoom background. And then floor to ceiling built-ins for all the storage you could ever need. And then a desk right under the window for perfect natural lighting. Now let me show you the rest of the house. To my left, the mudroom and powder room that leads you right into the open concept kitchen and dining room. The kitchen has a very contemporary vibe with flat panel cabinetry custom built for this space. I love how the color of the fireplace is picked up in our blue in the hood and the base cabinets in the kitchen. Lots of incredible modern details with our lighting here over the island and on our range wall. And I love these little technical details that we've included, like pop-up outlets. And next to the sink, we've taken care of your indoor-outdoor entertaining. This is a full-on pass-through window. Great for summer. And right off of the kitchen, the dining room. Those modern elements picked up right here with our mid-century style cantilever chairs, that warm maple tone, still picked up in this area. And then finishing off the entertaining aspect of the first floor, a well-appointed bar. Gotta have a bar. This house is filled with texture and we did not miss an opportunity to add some. This fluted wall paneling leads me right down to what may be the coolest room in the house. Welcome to the Wellness Lounge, a fully functional workout space. This place is complete with a projector to stream your workouts, a meditation area. You have a Swedish ladder, and what is better than your own dry sauna? Nothing. I'll answer for you. Nothing. This place has its own tea bar, but you can instantly transform this into another work from home zone. Now, let's head to the second floor. This is the Music Lounge. Kansas City has such a vibrant jazz culture. We had to have a room that paid homage to that. This wall is dedicated to music. There's enough storage for your entire record collection, and I love that the trombones are doubling as art. Over here, the window and skylight are boxed in this gorgeous ebony stain, creating this amazing focal point. And the massive corduroy sectional is the perfect place to lay down, listen to music, and just relax. Down the hall, there's a stylish snack bar. How great is this? It's located just outside the main bedroom. Here, it's all about color and pattern. The mod wallpaper draws your eye up to the beam ceiling, and everything is anchored by this modern platform bed. Fun fact, a lot of the furniture pieces in here, like the bedside tables and the dresser, are actually two pieces pushed together to mimic one larger furniture piece. Such a smart design hack. Now, right off the primary bedroom is the ensuite bathroom, and it has the same color scheme and is filled with natural light. There's also a massive wet room featuring a freestanding soaking tub. And around the corner, you have to check out the most adorable and colorful bunk room. There are built-in full-size bunk beds that each feature their own extra spaces. Across the hall is the laundry room, a full guest bathroom, and the most beautiful, moody guest bedroom. The walls are color blocked with a deep burgundy that pulls in the matching upholstered headboard. And how perfect is this sculptural moment with the birds taking flight? Now that's it for the inside of the house. Let's go check out the outside. Let's start right here at the front entry. This house was built in 1939 and we have completely transformed it. The exterior has been renovated in a contemporary style with a classic black and white color palette. The cantilevered overhang adds a very modern focal point and features this warm wood ceiling, which is also seen on the garage door. These limestone posts are a nod to Kansas City, which is known for limestone mining. These are usually used for farm fencing, but they've been repurposed here as exterior lights. Now let's go check out the backyard. The backyard is located right off the kitchen, which is so great for entertaining. To my left is the outdoor dining area. And you can see the architecture out here is very similar to the front of the house. To my right is a seating area with enough space for all your friends. And we added plants for privacy screening along this side. Everything opens up to this huge and level backyard. There's a gas fire pit right in the center, surrounded by these comfortable and stylish outdoor chairs. And off to the left are a pair of loungers, perfect for sunbathing. Overhead, we've strung bistro lights, making the backyard the place to be when the sun goes down. And we can't forget a very special place up on the second floor. The main bedroom even has its own private deck that overlooks this gorgeous yard. You've now seen this entire home inside and out. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour. I hope you love it just as much as I do.